guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lo here, and if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. And if you are a returner, welcome back to my channel. And everybody, this is just to returners, newcomers, everything. Subscribe. Hit the down below button. It's red. It just says subscribe. Hit that button so that you won't miss videos from moi. And yeah, I mean, what else is there to that but just to hit the button? You know what I'm saying? It's nothing hard. But anyways, let's get into the video I'm about to talk about. So what I'm going to do is a video on, it's like a dollar store challenge. To me, this is the hair version of the dollar store challenge for makeup. So I got all products from the dollar store. This is total about $8 or so, less than $10. I'm gonna show the products that I got and how I'm going to use them. Okay, so the first product is the SHEA solutions. That is the whole line that I've got except one, which is the gel and the heat protecting. So the first item on the SHEA solution, this is a deep moisture shampoo, cleanse, moisturize, and strength. This is paraben free. This is what it looks like. This was $1. The next one is the SHEA Solutions Deep Conditioner and Co-Wash Moisturize and Strengthens. It can be used as a cleanser. It's made with shea butter. This is what that looks like. It's also $1. It's 6 full ounces. Then we have the SHEA Solutions made with shea butter, leave-in conditioner, moisturize, detangles, and protects. Paraben free, 8 ounces. They're consistent with the packaging, can you tell? And the other product is the SHEA Solutions made with shea butter, curl stretch cream, moisturize, strengthens, and maximize curls. That's what that looks like. This is also 6 ounces. Then we have 3 other products. I have Luster Shea Butter Edge Gel. Stronghold, no running, no greasy, alcohol free, protect against breakage, and that's it. That's what this looks like. Then I have the Dollar Store Defend and Rejuvenate Heat Protection Spray Organ Oil, and it's 6 ounces. That's what this looks like. And then last but not least, this is the Softy Styling Gel Organ Oil Vitamin A, E, B5 Enriched Gel. So all except for were actually, they're all $1. They just are not the SHEA, what does this say? SHEA Solution brand. Everything else was from the dollar store. So we're about to try using these products to see if the dollar store is like what's up or not. Like, we're about to see. And we're going to start with the moisturizing shampoo to see what's up. And I'm going to start on this side of my head because it's already wet. So I'm just going to go ahead and let's get started. Okay, so the shampoo is not that bad. It's lathering. As soon as I put it on, wet hair, it lathered. I just had to add a lot more because, of course, I have a lot of hair, so I just can't put a little bit of shampoo. And it doesn't smell bad whatsoever. My hair is not dry or feeling stripped with the shampoo, which is really, really good. So that's great. So far, so good. The shampoo is... So now that I'm done shampooing my hair, we're gonna get to the conditioning part of this video. So I'm just gonna use the deep conditioner they have. It's also a co-wash. It's really, really thick, which is a good thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that from the ends to my roots as much as I can, as far as finger detangle just a little bit, and then go in and put more product on and then detangle with my wide tooth comb. I do both because it's just easier for me sometimes. Sometimes I can get it through my fingers and sometimes not. I just have to think of time management, okay? So yeah, I just went ahead and detangle with my comb, and then I'm going to go in and just finish the rest of the hair. Now that I'm done detangling and applying the deep conditioner on my hair, this is the amount of product I use. I use a good bit of the container. Majority of it is gone, which is really good. And then I just go ahead and put a plastic cap on my head, and I leave this deep conditioner on my hair. It says on the container for 3 to 5 minutes. So I just go ahead and do that, maybe longer. And then when I wash it out, this is how it looks. It looks very conditioned, very moist and fluffy. Guys, I have so many different textures in my hair. Don't judge me. And I need my ends trimmed, so yeah. So we're just gonna go into the leave-in. It's a very thick consistency, very, very thick. And I just go ahead and apply that to my hair. Shockingly, this product is really moisturizing. And then I'm gonna go in with my heat protectant. It is very hard to spray this heat protectant, and it smells weird. Really weird. So yeah, I just went ahead and just try to spray as much as I can of this heat protectant in my hair, and then just go ahead and try to rub it in so it can go through the whole head, and maybe apply a little bit more leave-in. But I'm gonna go ahead and dry my hair, but I'm not gonna show you this part because I do have a video coming out on how I blow dry my hair with not a lot of heat damage. So yeah, this is how it looks when I'm done. Just looking like I don't know what right now, just so much hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and section my hair off to make it easy to manage and do my 2-strand twist. So we're just gonna start off with the back section. Just put up the rest of the hair and start to apply product. Yes. So we're going to start off with the curl stretch that they have. It's curl stretch cream is what it's called. And then I'm going to use the organ oil. So the curl stretch cream, it's very thick. It's not loose or runny or anything like that. So that's good. I just went ahead and applied that to my hair. I wasn't sure how to feel about it at first, as you can tell in my face. So I just wasn't sure. I don't know, but it's okay. And then I applied gel. The thing, I didn't put a lot of gel because it will revert your hair. So I just put just enough so I can get enough hold, if anything. So yeah, I did that and just went ahead and added my oils, my oil mixture onto the hair to give it some shine and moisture. And then I just went ahead and twist it up. And I just do that for the whole head, pretty much. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you guys it again in the front half of the head, so you guys see how I did that. Okay, so the next product I'm going to use is the Edge Gel. I said Luster in the beginning, but it's not. It's called Lust. Maybe a knockoff version of Luster, whatever. But I was really shocked with this edge control. It actually had a little hole to it. I was like, okay, come through, Dollar Tree. Okay, I see you. All right. I didn't put a lot at first because I didn't know what to expect. But after a while, yeah, I was slapping that edge control on to give me some hold because I have tough edges. They're very unruly. So yeah, I was very shocked, and definitely I still have it now, and I slap it on because it actually works. I mix it with other stuff, but it works really, really good. So yeah, I just went ahead and finished twisting my hair up, and this is how it looks like. Look at that shine, guys. Look at the shine. The moisture on this hair is real, okay? Dollar Tree is coming through to show out and show off, okay? So yeah, I was really shocked. Well, we're in the next day, so we're about to see how this hair actually turns out, right? We won't pray about it, okay? But yeah, I'm untwisting my hair. This is how I usually untwist all my twist outs. So if you didn't know how to do it, that's how I usually do it, and that's how to do it correctly. And I just was going ahead and just fingering it out, just rubbing through so I can get all those part lines out, and just maybe fluffing it out some. So yeah, as you guys can tell my response, honey, I am shocked to my foundation. But this is how the twist out turned out. Really pretty, really nice. I was really shocked. If you guys have not yet tried it, go out and try it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Love you guys. Bye.